Say I leave one for us. Anytime ready for if it water touch and go scratch me. My brother, you don't know say na on yourself for you. And be warned though, rainy season don't come home. Not be say you go the waka for ring go thunder strike, you went cut come out. This country, they are not going to kill us, so no place safe now. If you go north, they say bandits day. You come west through south, they say kidnappers day. You say me, you say go east or no gunmen. Which day, yeah, group of cultists go bush, go they do court meeting. Fulani men come kidnap them. Even when the Fulani men be they come, the group of cultists be they shout, esprit the corner, we, they're not here, they say kidnap them. Now, cultists they beg for bargain. My brother, you never shot to square me, you go bad dog. They see dog, you know bad bingo, local dog will be as if hungry 2 bitter. You go enter does me shop shit. You go bad Rottweiler where is the left foot. One of my guy, I ain't bad Rottweiler now. Normally, normal Rottweiler, they back like this. Oh, God, one kid Rottweiler. See the women Rottweiler to the back. Inside last week, now Rottweiler can't see sickness. Men normal human being they sick. Rottweiler can't they get ulcer, appendix, malaria, typhoid fever. I shot there for years. The pimples can't they come out for Rottweiler first. Now me they help the Rottweiler bust the pimples. I will they plan carry and go spa next me they do facial surgery. They're not going to kill us for this country. Now, there's waiting the happen now. Beneath boys, waiting that they do now to they follow restaurant to restaurant say, sir, do you have remnants? Now, now they want my shop. God, oh God. I catch my guy and my neighbor. Oh God, they use sir. They want fried rice and jollof fries together. Now I catch him. Oh God, who for this country? And as a girl, please, if you're not sabi speak English, I best speak with you know. Bros, God will bless you. God will bless you. I don't know what you deserve. I will not know what you do. They're not going to catch you. If you be girl, you not sabi speak English. I best speak what you we know. For red carpet just now, I did interview one girl. They say, "What is your type of man?" He said, "I love a man that is tall in complexion." God, they wonder which kind of complexion they talk. Don't be that why I move ask me now for Ekpoma from when I they come from Ekpoma today. Now Bijo boss I enter. One fine guest down near me. As Bijo boss your move to mom. Hit the driver roll up on the glass. Tell the driver wait till you sabi the guy not green. He say, "Hello driver, please can you roll down fornicating?" I can't they found the dog and I not see. And you know say all those Bijo, some of us if you they work with Bijo, you have to report to your directors. All those some of all those Bijo boss. Why be like say I'm on too full now. You don't say Bijo boss some of them you feel gas and not be the accident go kill you. You feel you're the shout, praise the Lord, I survived. We spend and go your come from go your stab your head, you just die. This country they're not kill us. So you see fine ladies and see all these beautiful ladies, they laugh to my jokes. It's not that I'm not funny, just that their makeup is too heavy. They feel one laugh just now, you can't see crack for their face. Now you go there, Jessica, turn that strike for your face. Why is there crack on the wall? Thank you, that's better.
Thank you very much.